Hello, I'm Yashar. I'm from Germany and I live in Fuerteventura for more or less 3.5 years. I love it here because I came here to actually make a bit kite surfing, surfing, windsurfing. But I like also the beaches. There are a lot of different beaches where you can make whatever you want. You can come with your family, you can do water sports, you can make some nudism. Where we go now, I show you a nice place to be a bit private. And yeah, I came here, I left Germany and I love it. This is all the beach of Sotavento. Of course, you have some sections that have different names, but this is not so important. If somebody speaks of Sotavento, it starts here and you can go almost until Gandia. And sometimes I just come to the beach to take my rope and to fish out my dinner. I like to go to snorkel, to dive. The water is crystal clear, it's more turquoise, blue, you have every watercolor that you want in Fuerteventura. So whatever you like, whatever you prefer, you will find it here. This is the beach of Costa Calma, where it's perfect to make some nudism. Of course, not in the middle of the people, but I will show you the right place where you can go and get the full sun on your body and get full brown. A lot of people come here also to practice nudism, of course not here in front of the surfers, they just go a bit more down. Over there you can see there is written FKK, which means translated from German free body culture. More or less, it just say that it's nudism. Yeah. So the Germans that are living in Costa Calma, they made their own nudism beach, because there is not officially a nudism beach, but of course nobody will come and take you in jail for that. It's a beach, everybody is happy, everybody is here in a holiday, and sometimes I love it to come also here to go a bit nude, because not always I don't like always to have something on me. Costa Calma beach is a very quiet place. You will not find too much party here. So for the people that want to have a real relaxing holiday, they can come here. And of course, if you want to don't spend your day laying on the beach, you can walk kilometers, hours until almost the south of the island. Sometimes I need a bit quiet, and so I take my girlfriend that lives with me here. She's from Hungary, her name is Daisy, and we come here on our day off and we walk just hours on the beach speaking, and you don't feel anymore that you are working on this island, you feel like you're on holiday.